What's up, everybody? Today we're gonna make a super simple yet flavorful mango salsa, and it all starts with mango. In this bowl, I have 2 beautiful mangoes that I've peeled and diced up into small pieces. In this bowl, I have half of a large cucumber that I've sliced up and diced. These pieces are just a little tiny bit smaller than the mango. Not too much of a size variance, but just a little bit. I really want the mango to stand out. In this bowl, I have 1 whole jalapeno that was seeded and with the veins removed, chopped up super small. I have about 1/3 of a cup of finely diced red onion, salt, pepper, some cilantro, some lemon, a little added citrus. Let's go for it. So I'm going to start by dumping all of my mango into this big bowl right here. I want to get every last piece of it out. Where's my spoon? There it is. Juices and all. Next, I'm going in with my cucumber. Half a cucumber, right there. Okay. Jalapeno. Yes, indeed. Red onion. So beautiful and colorful. All right. There's the basis of it. And now we're going to just start mixing it up and get all of those flavors to meld together. Put a generous pinch of salt. So what the salt does is not only season the food, but it also draws out excess moisture, so that way you get all of the natural juices from these fruits and vegetables to just really start to come out and mix together on their own. It's amazing. Okay, I have some cilantro right here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take a nice big bunch and twist it off like that. This is gonna be used for something else a little bit later. And I'm just gonna go ahead and roughly chop it. All right, this is going right into the bowl as well. Okay. It's all about that flavor. All right, so I have a microplane grater right here, and I want to just take a little bit of that extra lemon zest for that extra amount of freshness. So just a few turns of the lemon. Maybe a couple tablespoons, well, 1 tablespoon, a couple teaspoons of lemon zest. Oh, it's just so bright, so floral and fragrant. Ooh, man. And of course, I need the juice, so my hand goes underneath as I squeeze the lemon because I want to catch any pits that might fall in. You can get your fingers right inside that lemon and just go to town. Get as much of that juice out as possible. Perfect. Okay, there we go. We're going to go here. I'm going to grab a spoon and start to mix. Taste. Oops. Don't want that much jalapeno. Woo! That is so sweet. Oh my goodness. The jalapeno does give it just a little tiny bit of heat, but because there are no seeds, there are no ribs, it's a little bit mild and it's really sweet, so you can taste the sweetness of the pepper. I'm going to change that up a little bit by adding a little extra spice by pressing in 1 clove of garlic, just a small one, just enough to give it just a little extra bite. There we go. You get it mixed in. And go with a little pinch of black pepper, and yes, I put it in my mortar and pestle because I freshly ground the pepper. The fragrance of it is really intoxicating, and it changes the flavor altogether too, gives it a much more robust flavor. And it's kind of fun to pound things and grind them. All right. Where are we at? Another little taste. Really spectacular. A little pinch of salt, a little half pinch maybe. I like a really acidic kind of salsa, so I'm going to go ahead and squeeze the rest of the lemon. Beautiful. Now, as this sits, the flavors are going to intensify. They're going to really start to meld together. You're going to see a lot more juices at the bottom of the bowl, and that's how you know you've got a really great salsa. Winner, winner, mango dinner. Awesome. All right, I'm gonna pour this into a smaller bowl so it fits a little bit better in the fridge. Okay. Perfect. All right, so I have it in a small enough bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and cover it up with plastic wrap, let it sit in the fridge for a couple of hours, and enjoy this on top of some citrus marinated pork tacos. Later on this evening. The best and freshest side dish ever to complement any main course that you could ever have want to go for. Okay, mango salsa, guys. Make it, eat it up. We'll see you later. I'm such a nerd.